All right, today we're going to show you how to move the center console. It's in a fourth generation 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This is a 2012. To get the center console out, all you have to do is lift up on this lever and then just go ahead and pull it out. It's really simple. And if you don't want that in there, it's always good to take this out once in a while. You can see all the debris that collects around it. That'll give you a good opportunity to do some fine cleaning. And so if you want to take this out, it can be used for extra storage. There are a lot of different things you can do with this, but it's really simple to take out, and it's really light, so it's not very complicated. Now, to put the center console back in, you're just going to just snap it in place. It's really pretty simple. Just make sure it's connected and it doesn't move around. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.